Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Joyce Kennis, and you're watching Joyce Kennis Vlogs. Get ready, let's go! You're watching Joyce Kennis Vlogs. I'm so happy you're here. Thanks everyone for the support.
Ano po yun?
Yun po kasi yung sa bahay po. Yung sa bahay po na pinagawa ko po. Kaso po kasi nakatayo po siya sa lupa po ng in-laws ko.
Okay. Saan yung lupa na to? Where is it situated?
Sa Bustos po, Bulacan.
Bustos, Bulacan.
Opo.
Okay. Have you seen the land title? Kanino nakatitulo yung lupa na to?
Hindi po but at least po from what I know, sa mother-in-law ko po.
Sa mother-in-law mo. Nakapangalan yung lupa. Okay?
Yun po yung alam ko.
And yung bahay, pinatayo mo, what year was this?
Last year po, ng mga around March po siya nag-start tinibag.
Okay, Meiko. Gaano katagal tinatayo yung bahay na to? For how long
1
was
year.
it? 1 year. At for that year, hindi ka sinabihan ng mother-in-law mo na wag mo ipatayo yan, itigil mo yung construction na yan.
No.
No. Hindi kasi pinagsabihan pero